We all have one. You know that place where we put our scrap pieces of ribbon that's too good to throw away? Well, this time we're going to use the M's Bow and Go, and we're going to pair up some ribbon and with a focal ribbon. So that black 2.5 inch floral graphics ribbon is going to be my focal area. And so we're going to build off of that. We're going to be using that M's Bow and Go, and I'm just showing you the difference between the Easy Bow Maker and the M's Bow and Go. So we start out with that 2.5 inch graphic florals with that background, black background, but look at all the beautiful colors we can pull out of that. You see some shades of green, some pinks, some different, just beautiful shades. So we're going to add some purple in there, which will blend very nicely, but now it introduced some yellow too. With the M's Bow and Go, we're actually going to be using several pieces of that scrap ribbon. So you notice how I put a piece up above in those two dowel rods and then down below of that green and black plaid. We're just going to keep layering on, and of course, as always, the ribbon that you want to stand out the most, you'll want to bring closer to the top. So look at the layers. I love this. I went to my ribbon rack and found a purple to blend in, just give us a pop of color. But see how I'm using the shorter pieces along with the longer pieces to give it that look that I want to go for. The end result for this bow is absolutely stunning, and I really liked the topping it off with this pink and black in the stripes here. It really pulled all of those colors forward, and using that 7/8 inch ribbon, bringing in those fresh colors. Guys, if you haven't used an M's Bow and Go, you're going to get a much bigger bow. You can use it just like an Easy Bow Maker, or you can use all 4 dowel rods. You can watch the slowed down version of this as well. But I wanted to show you just a way that you can turn your scrap pieces of ribbon into a beautiful bow. Don't get hung up on the patterns per se. Go to your ribbon drawer and find those leftover pieces of ribbon that are just too much to throw away, because you know we paid a lot for those, and make a bow that is one to be proud of with all of your beautiful colors that you've got stored away. Thanks for watching, and of course you can get your ribbon at festivecreationsbystephanie.com if you need a little. I've got it for you. I thought I'd show you too some of the other bows that I did in this same video. I showed us how to make a cheater bow, this zip tie bow, a very basic version, how we added florals to this bow, 4-inch ribbon bow, and then last but not least, this glittered bow